Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Happy 4th of July. If I were good at this, I would probably have some fancy graphics back here, fireworks going off, celebratory fireworks. And thank you to our men and women of the armed forces, and thank you to our veterans as well. Freedom isn't free, and we get to celebrate due to your service and the family and friends of those that have been in service and may have fallen in service. I appreciate your service. We all appreciate your service. Thank you for your service. It's that time of year we like to celebrate, and many of our shops are also celebrating with coupons. And I'll have links to various shops down below: Get FPV, heli-nation, PyroFlip, RaceDayQuads, Good Venture Drones. We've got all sorts of places that are having sales down below. For our international patrons, we also have Banggood has got their Prime Summer sale going on. I think they're kind of wanting to compete with Amazon on that naming scheme a little bit. But if you've got some money you've squirreled away for this hobby, now might be a good time to look to buy. I'm not saying you need to buy, but now is a pretty good time because we have a lot of sales going on. This is probably, outside of Christmas, one of the highest sales reach we see. So if you're looking to pick up a X-Lite Pro, remember this doesn't do D8, so you can't do the Sailfly and other D8 receivers with this. Not yet, at least. Or if you're wanting to pick up a standard X-Lite, my personal favorite. They're kind of hard to get. You kind of have to buy them with some extras, but I did buy one because this one doesn't seem to be working anymore. But my favorite radio. Or if you like need some extra batteries, we've got GNB and RaceDayQuads. They're essentially the same batteries, and they are the batteries I like to fly. There's links down in the video description to all those. I'll be putting links down below to all the various shops where I can find sales, so that you can keep a little bit more of your money or buy more, whichever you choose to do. And those links will be shortened or bit.ly links. That gives me an idea of what sort of shops you guys prefer. It also allows me to use affiliate links. That way, if you buy something at no cost to you, the channel gets a little bit of that money, and it helps to keep products moving through the channel, so I can test and make reviews on products and bring them to you. Maybe you're interested in some Fat Shark HDOs with a rapid fire module in them. Maybe now might be a good time. Several of these sales are site-wide, so any product you're looking for you can buy on the sale price. Also, Maximus FPV, he designed the ByteSize as well as the MinuteMan. Yeah, I have a new MinuteMan that I need to transfer these components over to so I can give it a good spin. He's also got a sale on his frames. Check out TomoQuads. I believe he's also running a sale. This is the CSX. This one in particular, I have got the Diatone 1105 5500 kV motors on, and I'm thinking that may be where I land with this particular quad. I've been testing various motors, T-motors. What else have I got over there? Sunny Sky motors. I've been kind of, that's been the delay on this. I've been trying to really find a motor that I like on this particular quad in order to find what I think would be good components for you to use. Or if you want to pick up a GEP-RC board, the Whoop boards we've been using in a lot of our builds are 12 amps. Those are sold all over the place as well. I do have some new motors from Apex, I believe it is. There's these little silver motors from Pyrodrone or PyroFlip RC. I haven't used them yet, but they're available and out there. More batteries of various sorts. You can get GNB batteries from all sorts of places. A lot of people like to buy these internationally from Banggood because they ship for free, and so that makes things a little bit cheaper. Also, probably one of the nicer canopies. I don't know how well this is going to come up. This is from Pyrodrone or PyroFlip. It's a really nice canopy. It's pretty versatile. If you follow Adam Baum's channel, you'll know that he's been using these quite a bit. They're pretty versatile. They have a hole up top so that you can get your USB cable in there. It also has good room if you're adding a camera. Of course, my favorite camera right now for micros is the Runcam Nano 2. I like the field of view and the coloration of that. Some people prefer the EOS. I think the Runcam Nano 2 has a little bit more fisheye, but I'm not very sensitive to that as long as it's not dramatic. Also, you'll find things like the Sailfly, cheaper price. You'll be able to find that. Also, I should remember where to go. Or if you want to pick up a Mobula, maybe you didn't catch a Mobula when it was coming around, you want to give it a go. Or if you're looking to build a Primo, buy a Sailfly, put the parts in a Primo, maybe. I'll put links, as I said, down below. Also, a recent addition, reviews you've seen before, the Full Speed Leader Toothpick Pro and the other Toothpick Standard. Those should be on sale on Banggood, so if you're looking at those, that might be a good time to buy. Also, I have a toothpick frame from, I think this one might be from Epic Racing, I'm not sure, but you pick these up from Pyrodrone. They seem to have a lot more stock of these now, so I went ahead and bought those, so I'm going to use the Apex motors I previously showed you on this. I'm not certain about all the components I'm going to use on that just yet. Also, I've got a special coupon for the Diatone / eSheen ER349. Pretty hot little quad, pretty good. My review's not ready yet, but this is one I think that if you like performance and you like quality components, this would be a good one to look at. I've got a special coupon just for this one. I'll have that in the section down below. And how I'll do the links is I'll have like the shop, and then I'll have a link, and then I'll have a coupon code either before or after the link, and I'll put like parentheses or maybe asterisks on both sides of the coupon code. That way you have a good idea of what the coupon code is. It's pretty clear, and you'll be able to use the link in order to make your purchases. Again, we get a small bit here at the channel if you use an affiliate link. I'll have links down below to shops where I don't have affiliates. That's no big deal. I just want to spread the word that if you do have money now available that you've squirreled away, you can make a purchase and maybe keep a little bit more of that money, or maybe you can buy an extra motor, or you can buy an extra battery or an extra set of props or what have you that you're looking for, and be able to fly a little bit longer, have more enjoyment. Just a short video today to thank everyone for their service in the military and all of our veterans, and as well as all of you. Happy 4th of July. Celebrate, have fun with family and friends, enjoy your time, keep those fingers and toes safe. Every year somebody loses a finger or a toe due to these fireworks we like to blow off. But if you have some extra money you squirreled away, maybe it might interest you to take advantage of the sales. And one other point, and the reason why I'm making this video, is not everybody follows along on Facebook and is aware of all these sales. So I think it's important for me to pass this information along to you, so that if you are out shopping this weekend, some of these are very limited to just like the 4th or the 5th, so I need to get this video out. Others run through the 9th or through the 12th or even the 14th. And I'll try to include dates down in those links so you know how long those sales are lasting. But I'm planning to take this video down after this period is ended. So if you reference this video somewhere else, it will become unavailable after these sales have ended. Oh, and my shirt. Cleverly disguised as a responsible adult. I have no idea where this came from. My mother bought it for me. Apparently she thinks this is a disguise. If you know of other sales, please let me know. I'll include them in the video description down below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.